Vuyokazi is definitely hurtful with everything that was mentioned on Uthando. So she went on and write Bana, just a glimpse of what happened back then. 2019 got pregnant, started getting phone calls from girlfriends, got threatening text, accused of witchcraft, was accused of witchcraft. Uyashokeni uVuyokazi ubana kuningi kuthethwa ngami ngepast yam e-TV and she is not comfortable. She is not liking ubana the Mselekus are talking about Vuyokazi and Vuyokazi's past, and she's not even there to still defend herself. And uyachokena ubana the only reason why they called Umamaka Vuyokazi, it was because apparently there was a fake account that was opened, and that fake account was insulting Umayeni. That's why Umayeni turns out to like, I do not like Uvuyokazi. Okanye, I did not know well Uvuyokazi. So there's a whole lot of things that are, there's a lot of missing puzzles. There's a whole lot of missing puzzles. So now it's like, he said, she said, they said, it's all over. So Uvuyokazi had to write her own glimpse of what really happened back then. She's saying that it wasn't her who was insulting Umayeni, for them to get to an extent to call Umaga Vuyokazi to say Bana Uvuyokazi is insulting Umayeni on social media, and she's saying that it wasn't her, it was a fake account that was open in her name.